Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to share this video if you find it useful. Also, a quick note, this video is only for educational purposes. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, let's get into today's updates. First big news, great opportunity for India's textile sector. India is making some smart global moves in the textile space. Minister of State for Textiles, Mr. Pavitra Magherita, recently announced that India is in advanced stages of finalizing free trade agreements, FTAs, with major economies like the US, UK, and the European Union. These trade deals are huge because they will open new doors for Indian textile companies in markets that value high quality and premium standards. Right now, India's textile exports have already crossed $34 billion, and the government is aiming to hit $100 billion by 2030. That's almost triple. He also pointed out that the textile and apparel industry plays a major role in the economy, contributing to 0.3% to the GDP, 13% to industrial production, and 12% to exports. Another interesting point, the man-made fibers, MMF, segment is going to be key in this growth story. Since MMF is in high demand globally, boosting this area could help India stay competitive and meet global expectations. Second update, GST collections for June 2025. Now let's talk about government revenue. India's total GST collection in June 2025 stood at a solid 1.84 lakh rupees crore. That's a 6.2% increase compared to the same month last year. However, it's a bit lower than the 2 lakh rupees crore collections recorded in April and May this year. Breaking it down. 1. Domestic GST revenue grew by 4.6%, totaling around 1.38 lakh rupees crore, and 2. GST from imports jumped 11.4%, reaching nearly 45,690 crore rupees. Here's how it was split. 1. Central GST, 34,558 crore rupees. 2. State GST, 43,268 crore rupees. 3. Integrated GST, IGST 93,280 crore rupees, and 4. Cess collection, 13,491 crore rupees. Also, refunds issued in June were 25,491 crore rupees, which is a 28.4% jump compared to last year. After refunds, the net GST collection stands at 1.59 lakh rupees crore, showing a healthy growth of 3.3% year-on-year. Third update, housing prices in India set to rise slowly. Good news and a bit of caution for real estate watchers. According to Crisil ratings, housing prices in India are expected to rise by 4 to 6% in the medium term. This comes after 2 years of double-digit growth. Crisil also said that home sales will remain stable this year and next year as the market finds its balance post-pandemic. Here's the outlook. 1. Demand, volume, may grow by 5 to 7%. 2. Prices may increase by 4 to 6%. But here's something to keep an eye on. Supply is expected to be higher than demand, which means unsold inventory might increase in the short term. Still, developers are in a strong position financially. Many have reduced their debt and are collecting money more efficiently from buyers. The report covered 75 major real estate companies, which together account for 35% of all housing sales in India. During the last 3 years, 1. Sales value grew at a 26% CAGR. 2. Volumes grew at 14% CAGR, and 3. The rest came from rising prices. Last year, sales were flat due to delays in new launches, mostly because of state elections and changes in property rules. But now, demand is expected to bounce back thanks to better affordability and lower interest rates. Now final thoughts. So, we've got: first, big global opportunities for the textile sector. Second, healthy GST collections showing steady growth, and third, a moderate rise expected in housing prices. India's economy seems to be on a balanced and strategic growth path across sectors, from exports to real estate. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more such updates. Also, You can join our free Telegram group for daily news on stocks and economy, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay informed, stay smart,